Today's day 5, where I make a game, but every single time I make a game, I add 1 more minute to the timer. It's day 5, so that means there's 5 minutes on the timer. For this day, I decided to go with a simple platforming game. I started off by first making the floor, and then I made the player, and then the 2 platforms that I needed for the game. After that, I started working on the player movement script. This is pretty much the same movement script I've used for 3, I believe, of these challenges. And it's just a 1-line movement script that just takes the input from your key presses. But I modified the script a bit, and I added a jump function. So if you hit space, then you jump. I spent a bit of time doing that, and after that was done, I decided to start working on the script for the platforms. The idea was this: when you jump or leave the platform disappears and it becomes the platform after the next one. So, that means your jumps have to be very carefully timed, because if they aren't, you will just fall off and you cannot win. I then went back to the player script, and I added 1 line of code that makes it so that the camera always follows the player on the y-axis. And with the remaining seconds, I add all the scripts that are where they're needed, and I just watch the timer count down. I go in and test the game, and does it work? No, the movement is inverted, and the jump for some reason doesn't work. And I know, I'm technically breaking my own rules by fixing this, but after all, it is my rules, and might as well have a working game. And so, after 5 minutes of making it, and about 2 minutes of fixing it, I finally have this game. It's actually pretty fun when you play it, but the movement's a bit annoying. I also found this really cool mechanic, where if you only use one of the platforms, it's a really fun strategy game, where even if you do fall, you have a second chance at getting as high as you can. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it. It means a lot. Anyways, I might be posting the next one tomorrow, I'm not sure. But I am still continuing the series. Thank you for watching again, and goodbye.